Are you sitting down? I have some shocking news. There's stuff in your garage that you don't need. Today I'm talking about the best hack for organizing your garage. But don't panic. Here's how I work with my clients to decide what stays, what goes, and what to do with unwanted items. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy with Organize to Excel. Subscribe to our channel for more practical solutions for everyday issues. Often deciding what you will do with any items you don't want or need before you decide if you actually want them can speed up the deciding process. The deciding process can be pretty bumpy, but using TRACS smooths out the ride. So TRACS stands for Trash, Recycle, Action, Charity, Keep, and Sell. When I'm decluttering with someone, we go through each item and ask which of these categories it belongs in. Sorting everything into these categories is a big step towards a neat, peaceful home and garage. Pro tip: start in a small area to get the hang of TRACS. Try decluttering one box, one drawer, or one shelf using this method. It's okay to go slow to start with. And trash. This is the first letter of the acronym, but really the last resort. Only send an item to the landfill if it doesn't fit in any other category. Recycle. This one is a step above trash. If something doesn't fit into any other category, but it's recyclable, do it. Make sure you follow local regulations to avoid recycling contamination. In LA, this means things like washing and drying out plastic containers before putting them in the blue bin. More information on recycling in LA, click on the link in the comments. Action. Sometimes all an item needs is a makeover. If you can repair or refurbish something to make it useful again, go for it. There's no need to toss out those garden shears if they just need to be sharpened. And if you don't know how to repair something, take it to an expert for an assessment. Paying for repairs can sometimes be less expensive than buying new, and consider repairs even if they cost a bit more. The longer an item stays in circulation, the better for the planet. Charity. Consider donating items that you don't want but are still in good condition. Make sure you call the charity first to see what they're accepting. Some great places to donate in the Los Angeles area are Baby to Baby, which collects and redistributes gently used baby and young children's items. LA Shares, which redistributes working electronic goods to schools and other non-profit agencies in the area. Path, People Assisting the Homeless, which builds affordable housing and offers support services. Souls for Souls, which take gently worn shoes that you don't wear anymore. You can also donate to charities that sell your items, like Goodwill, Habitat for Humanity, or the National Council of Jewish Women. And if you just want to give things away, you can choose something like your local Buy Nothing group. Keep. Not everything in your garage has to go. I want you to have what you love and need. A throw it all away mentality will leave you with a clean, empty garage, but that's not what decluttering is for. The point is to deliberately choose what's in your garage instead of having all or nothing. And sell. If you're not going to reuse something, let other people reuse it by selling or giving it away. Options for selling items include yard sales, Craigslist, eBay. Advice from local eBay seller Amy Weintraub suggests only selling something on eBay if it's worth over $100. Otherwise, you spend a lot of time posting online, packaging, and posting the item for not much return. Or Wertz Brothers or any other used furniture store as well. There you have it. Sort your stuff responsibly, deal with the excess, and you're one big step out of clutter and into calm. Have questions about these categories? Add your questions to the comments below and I'll help you out.